The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time there lived a shepherd boy. He took his flock of sheep to graze in the mountains, nearby to the forest. He felt lonely on the mountains, so one day he decided to play a trick and fool the villagers. He climbed onto a high rock and began shouting,
"Help! Help! There is a wolf!"
When the villagers heard him, they came running to help the boy. They had daggers and spades with them. When they reached, they asked the shepherd, "Why did you shout? There is no wolf here." The shepherd boy laughed and said,
"Oh, it ran away because of my howls."
He was happy to have fooled the villagers. After listening to him, the villagers got angry. But they forgave him because he was a child and just warned him. However, the naughty boy did not learn. He still wanted to fool the villagers. So he shouted out again,
"Help! Help! Wolf!"
And once again the poor villagers left everything they were doing and ran to help the boy. They rushed with whatever they had in their hands. And the boy repeated the same story. But this time, the villagers realized that the boy was telling a lie. After a few days, a real wolf actually came. The shepherd boy got scared and shouted,
"Help! Wolf! Wolf!"
On hearing him again, the villagers just laughed. They said, "Let us not go. He is just trying to fool us again and waste our time." The wolf attacked the sheep, and this time, however, no one came to help the shepherd or save his sheep. The boy lost all his sheep. He realized that he had made a mistake. He felt sorry and cried all alone. Moral of the story? Even if liars tell the truth, they will not be believed. Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com.
For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.